In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Replit and Cursor for simple, fast deployments. To start, open your web browser and go to Replit. Make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the project you want to work with. This setup lets you control your Replit project from a local editor using secure connections, which is perfect for quick, reliable deployments. Once you're on Replit, click the Projects section. This shows all your workspaces in one place so you can find the exact project you want to connect. Select the project you plan to edit from Cursor. Opening it here ensures you have access to its settings and can confirm everything is configured the way you expect before enabling remote access. Inside the project, look at the top right and click the search icon. We'll use this to quickly jump to the right setting without digging through menus. Type SSH into the search bar and open the SSH settings page. SSH, or Secure Shell, is what allows trusted tools like Cursor or VS Code to connect to your Replit environment safely. On the SSH settings page, you'll add an SSH key from your local machine. This key proves to Replit that your computer is allowed to connect. If you already have a key pair on your device, you can reuse the public key. If not, you'll generate one. Click Add SSH key. On your computer, run the standard command to generate an SSH key pair, then copy the public key output. The public key usually starts with something like SSH ED25519 or SSH RSA. Paste that public key into the field on Replit and save. A few tips here. Never share your private key. Only paste the public key. Give the key a clear label so you know which machine it belongs to, and double check there are no extra spaces when you paste. Before you connect from Cursor or VS Code, note that Replit requires an active Replit Core subscription for SSH access from external editors. Make sure your account is on the correct plan so the connection works as expected. After that, you're ready to use Cursor's remote features to work on your Replit project directly from your editor, with faster iteration and simpler deployments powered by secure SSH. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.